Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am sharing with you one of my Christmas trees. This is my 10-foot tree that is in the main or formal living room of my house. Over the next 2 weeks leading up to Christmas, I'm going to execute a Christmas decor marathon where I'll be showing you snippets of various Christmas designs, Christmas decor, and decorating ideas. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. I thank you, thank you, thank you. I could not build my channel without you. If you are not a subscriber and you like the content that you see, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Do check your notification bell and do click it twice so you too will be notified of all future video uploads from me, and you also will be able to enjoy the Christmas decor marathon as well. And with that, please enjoy the video.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
Thanks again for stopping by. In this video, I just wanted to share with you my 10-foot Christmas tree. I've had this tree for approximately 3 years. I've already fully decorated it. Some of the footage that showed the tree undecorated was lost, but as we say, the show must go on. So I still wanted to show you how beautiful this tree came out. The tree itself came from at home. Many of the pics that created the tree topper came from Hobby Lobby. My color scheme for this year's Christmas for my formal living, dining, and entryway are royal blue, navy, gold, and white. And as you can see, those are the colors that I've used to decorate the tree. I have ornaments that came from Michael's, many from at home, some from Hobby Lobby. This tree actually turned out beautiful as the entry to my formal living room in the colors of royal blue, navy, gold, and white. Stay tuned for more videos from me where you will see how this tree was used to transform my formal living area into a showpiece. This is Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one.
My heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he